Our pre-hung door with quick assembly jamb kit is delivered in 2 packages. The first package contains the jamb kit with hinges already installed, and the second contains the door slab. Attach the jamb, which already has the hinge installed, to the slab door. Ensure to leave a 13/16" space from the top of the jamb to the top of the door. This space is intended for the upper jamb. Attach the hinge to the door using 3 screws. There's no need to groove the door, as the depth of the hinge has already been taken into consideration. The edge of the door should be 1 3/16" from the edge of the door. Replicate the steps for all 3 hinges. Because the solid door is quite heavy, we recommend removing the nail between the hinges to separate the door from the jamb. Prepare the bore hole according to your hardware instruction. Our top jamb is trimmable to different width with pre-marked line. Trim the jamb based on your needs. Assemble the door jamb with nail guns. Your jamb set installation is completed.